I was thinking, what if we go around and say what our real names are? I still don't know what to call either of you.
Oh, right. Sung Gyu is my full name.
Oh, Sung Gil. Like our unsung hero.
Huh?
Hold on, I just realized. If we have to form groups of 6 next round, then we won't need anyone else.
Why?
Oh, because the baby.